Yep. Whew. What's up? It's raining outside. I'm in a hurry, to be honest. Let's get this out of there. Okay, there we go. It's raining and I'm going for a jog. You like this? You like it? I think I like it too. Hold on now. My shirt has a whole lot of white stuff in it, and I don't like that. I don't like going outside looking like that. I think we good. Hey everyone, it's me again, Valdo. In this video, I'll be showing you how to charge your DJI Ronin-S. Yes, you've heard it correctly now. How to charge your DJI Ronin-S. A lot of people have been having a bit of confusion about all the wires and different parts that are included in the DJI Ronin-S. So for that matter, this video will be solely and completely about charging your DJI Ronin-S. So let's get into it. So right out the box, the very first thing you want to do is attach the 6-inch extended Ronin-S grip to the battery part. Let's just go and do that. Now that it's secure, the second thing you want to do is grab your gimbal and slide and attach your battery grip to the gimbal using the mechanism lock to lock it. Now it's not going anywhere. The next thing you want to do is sit your gimbal as close to the ground as it could be in order to prevent it from falling, as it could damage the pen motor, the motor roll, and even the tilt motor. Now that we have this here, next thing you want to do from the DJI Ronin-S phone box, grab your USB power adapter. It looks like that. And then from the same phone box, grab your accessory box and find one of the USB-C power cable to attach in here. The power cable looks like this. Now if you can't see it. Alright. So now the next thing we do is attach it here. Boom. And at the end it should look something like that. And if you made it this far, you got everything correctly, you've been doing a good job. So just hang on, there's just a couple steps left and we'll be done. Now go back to your gimbal. If you look on the opposite side of the joystick, now there's a USB-C port cover that can be found. All you gotta do is just lift the cover and attach your USB-C cable in there. We're gonna do this together. As you can see, it's attached, it's firm, it's not coming out. The next thing you want to do is find your most convenient power adapter to plug this in. Now that we plug it in, you should see the battery power indicator flashing up just like that. See the arrow here is indicating you that it's been charging. Now you want to leave the gimbal charging for about 2 hours and 15 minutes as it requires in the DJI Ronin-S manual book. So we're gonna leave this to charge for 2 hours and 15 minutes until it's fully charged. Then we can remove it from the power source. And that's it. That's pretty much all I had for you guys in this video. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, as it will help the channel a lot, and that's something that we will gladly appreciate over here on this channel. Helping us to grow is something that we are striving for. As for me, I'm Valdo, and I'll see you guys in another video. I'm out. Gotta go for my run, man. I gotta be out.